Hello there. This is part one of week two. The first thing we're going to do on this part one, all we're going to do is just go over some of the things that we talked about last week. I have three sentences up here. Looks like I might have been able to make the fourth one, but I've started now, so I'll just erase these and do the fourth sentence up there when we're done. Hoping everybody worked on the vocabulary. And I've written the sentences this time with the verb beginning because that's the way you're usually going to find them. Not always, but usually. Okay, so this first word, para, looks like it's missing something there. Okay, para. Ra'a means he saw. So who is he? The bull. The bull saw, and what did the bull see? He saw a cow. Ra'a para. Okay, the next line. Ra'ata isha, and this is part of the sentence too, et hasus. Ra'ata, this is the same word that said, or the same root word that says he saw, and this one says she saw. So who saw it? Isha, a woman. Not the woman, because there's no hey at the beginning. It's just Isha. A woman saw, and what did she see? We have an et, which means that the word following it is going to be a direct object. And even though here, this was a direct object too. What did the bull see? He saw a cow. That's a direct object. But without the hey in front of it, the et is not required. And honestly, I have no idea why there's that distinction, but that's just the way it is. Okay, so a woman, what did I do wrong? A woman saw what was this? This person has eyeglasses and they're still winking at us. Hasus, the horse. And if you were going to make it a female horse, what would you do? Do you remember? Just add a hey on the end. And it'd be ha-susa. Okay, last one. Yashav. Yod, Sheen, Vet, Yashav. And what did Yashav mean? What was that verb? It means to sit. It can also mean, can't believe you see me here. It can mean to sit, or it can also mean to dwell sometimes. But right now we're using it as sit. Yashav doesn't have a hey on the end. So is this going to be a masculine form of the word or a feminine? It's masculine. So it's he sat. And who is he? Ha-isha. Well, that was good. Okay. What I do with my eraser. Okay. Sorry about that. This won't be the last time I boo-boo. Okay. Yashav ha. Oh, now I spelled man wrong. Oh my gosh. We will be able to move on here. Give me just a second. Now I think it's right. Yashav ha-ish, the man. And if you caught that beforehand and you were thinking, I thought we were supposed to do it this other way, good for you. Yashav ha-ish. So he sat, the man sat where? Beit. So without that first just bite, that's house. If it were ha-beit, it would be the house. And if it were bite with just this little schwa thing under the end, so it just sounds like you're stuttering a little bit, bite, that would be in-house. But if you combine the ha and the ba together, you get ba bite. Oh, I'm going to have to do this video over. Yashav ha'ish ba bite. The man sat, and the verb comes first. The man sat in the house. Okay, one more sentence. And then we'll be half done with this lesson. And I encourage you still to use flashcards or any other thing that works for you. But this few minutes a week really isn't, you're not going to remember it. Maybe if you watch it a bunch of times you could. But it's probably useful to go ahead and make yourself some flashcards. Okay, let's see how many mistakes I can make this time. Okay, last sentence. Seuss, and it doesn't have the doggish in that first either. This one isn't wearing a monocle, I guess is how I think of it. Because the hey, when you put the in front of the word, you also add a doggish to any letter that's allowed to take one. But this isn't the horse, it's just horse. Horse. Oh, and I wrote it back the other way. Okay, that's fine. It could go this way too. The verb can be second. Just usually isn't. Sus ra'a par v'para. And the only thing that we haven't gone over yet is this little letter here, the vav, at the beginning of a word. Do you remember what that does? It means and. So a horse, because in English we'd want to supply the word a. It doesn't sound like a complete sentence to us otherwise. A horse saw a bull and a cow. Directly translating it word for word, horse saw bull and cow. They don't have a in there. Okay, and that's actually all we're going to do for this particular lesson. I'm going to cut this off and then do the new words for this second week. Talk to you in just a minute.